Hello and welcome to Sewlyjo's bag making channel. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating history of bag making and its cultural significance. Bag making has been around for thousands of years, with some of the earliest examples dating back to ancient civilizations in Egypt, Greece, and Rome. In these cultures, bags were often used to carry personal items or as a symbol of wealth and status. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, and bags became an important part of everyday life for both men and women. People carried bags to carry their belongings, such as coins, food, and personal items. In the Renaissance, bags were often intricately decorated and made from luxurious materials like velvet and silk. As bag making technology advanced, so did the styles and designs of bags. In the 19th and 20th centuries, bags became more practical and functional, with the introduction of new materials like canvas and leather. Today, bags are an integral part of our daily lives and come in a wide variety of styles and functions. But bag making isn't just about functionality. In many cultures, bags hold great cultural significance and are often used to express personal style and identity. For example, in African cultures, bags are often used to carry important items and are intricately decorated with symbols and patterns. In Native American cultures, bags are often used to carry sacred items and are imbued with spiritual significance. So, to wrap this up, as you can see, the history of bag making is rich and varied, with bags playing a vital role in both everyday life and cultural traditions. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the history and cultural significance of bag making, and I wait to see what the future holds for this timeless craft. So thank you for watching. Thank you for choosing my channel. I hope you are subscribed and that you will go to the main channel, my main page, and you will find some awesome tutorials so that you can make something wonderful for yourself or your loved one. See you in the next video. Bye.